Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show you how to create a menu using Elementor. First, access your WordPress dashboard and find the Appearance section, then click on Menus. You'll want to give your menu a clear, descriptive name, like Main Navigation, and then click Create Menu. Next, select the specific pages or custom links you want to feature. Finally, assign your menu to a suitable display location, ensuring it appears exactly where you intend on your website. Once your basic menu is set up, you can start customizing individual items. Simply drag and drop to reorder them or indent items to create drop-down submenus. You can also edit the navigation label for each item, making it more concise or descriptive. For advanced styling, consider adding custom CSS classes. Remember to save your menu after making any changes to ensure they are applied correctly across your site. Now, let's bring your menu into your Elementor-designed pages. Open the page or template where you want your menu to appear using the Elementor editor. In the Elementor sidebar, search for the Nav menu widget and drag it directly onto your canvas. Within the widget settings, you'll find a drop-down to select the exact menu you just created. From there, you have full control to customize its appearance, including layout, typography, and colors, to perfectly match your site's design. For a truly polished menu, dive into Elementor's advanced styling options. The Style tab offers extensive controls for typography, colors, and even hover effects, allowing for a unique user experience. Crucially, configure the responsive settings to ensure your menu adapts beautifully across desktops, tablets, and mobile phones. Adjust spacing, padding, and alignment to achieve a professional finish. If you're using Elementor Pro, leverage the theme builder to integrate your menu globally across your entire website, saving you valuable time.
Thanks for watching, stay juicy, and subscribe.